We love the balance that the bicycle brings to the world and its power to make people, communities, and the planet healthier. Come ride with us.
Hi, this is Jeremy from Planet Bike, and today we're going to take a look at the Black Zeppelin CO2 bike tire inflator. Let's take a look at its features and how it functions. To start, the Black Zeppelin's body is made out of precision machined aluminum that's both durable and lightweight, coming in at just 24 grams. One of the unique features of this inflator is the CO2 pierce indicator. This little red indicator indicates when the CO2 is pierced and ready to use. Next, the Black Zeppelin is both Presta and Schrader compatible without the need for adapters and accepts all threaded CO2 cartridges. Its small size is compact and fits great in a saddlebag or jersey pocket. Now, let's take a look at how it functions. When you first use the Black Zeppelin CO2 tire inflator, you'll notice that the pierce indicator is up. So the first thing we're going to want to do is turn the airflation control knob counterclockwise until the pierce indicator is flush with the knob. Then you'll want to take your threaded CO2 cartridge. And here's a tip: if you have never used CO2 before, or even if you have, you'll know that the CO2 gets cold when the air is discharged. So we're using a sleeve today, which comes with most of Planet Bike's CO2 cartridges. But if you don't have one, I would highly recommend picking one up. And now that the CO2 cartridge is tight in the Black Zeppelin, we'll turn the knob clockwise until the indicator is back up, and that is indicating that the CO2 is pierced and ready to use. Today, we're using a Presta valve, so you'll see our tire does need inflation. And since we don't need an adapter, we'll just put the CO2 on the valve and open to inflate the tire. And once we have a correct pressure that we want, we'll remove the inflator from the valve, and you will see that the tire is now fully inflated. And before you disconnect the CO2 cartridge, you'll want to open up the valve and make sure all the air is discharged. And you can see that the cartridge has gotten cold, but we have the insulator sleeve on there, so our hands are nice and warm. You can unscrew the CO2 cartridge, and that is how the Black Zeppelin CO2 bike tire inflator operates. We hope you pick one up and toss it in your seat pack or in your back pocket for your next ride, and we hope that you come ride with us.